Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, Animation Capstone week 5. Nope, not week 5. Sorry, wrong class. Week 10. We're right at the end. So, just want to let everybody know. Do keep in mind you have your discussion post due on Saturday, initial post on Tuesday. Another thing also to keep in mind with as well, you also have your week 10 assignment due on Sunday, along with your live lecture assignment. Do keep in mind your week 10 assignment. I've given feedback from week 9. Please take a look at it and really see it from there. I think both videos have some things to fix. But other than that, it's a good start and where everything's going. So also, please keep in mind, I'm going to give a second announcement later in the week, but we're going to go over the presentation. So you guys are going to present your demo reel or create a presentation and really present it to the class through the discussion material. So what I would like you to do next is to take a look at the presentation right here and really take a look how you're going to be presenting it, what are some elements about it, and different ways to go about it. If you want to present during live lecture, you're more than welcome to. If you don't want to present live lecture, you can do it through the discussion post. And to make sure that you do replies as well if you don't attend live lecture. So that's pretty much it. But please take a look at this assignment. This is where you're going to be presenting your demo reel and explaining about it. We will go over the assignment as your first announcement next week. But other than that, that's all I got. So, all right, everybody, be safe, have fun, enjoy, take it easy. Please take a look at this. Keep in mind you have your due dates coming up. Discussion post due on Saturday. Your live lecture assignment due on Sunday, along with your final video. And that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Take it easy. Bye-bye.